Alrighty, class. So today we're going to learn about an app that is called MapMyFitness. So I'm on an iOS device, an Apple device, so I'm going to go ahead and go into App Store. And just in the search bar, I'm just going to type in MapMyFitness and wait for that to load. That first icon right there that you will see is created by Under Armour. MapMyFitness is owned by Under Armour. It is a GPS workout app. In here, we're going to learn how to track and map all of our workouts, get better detailed information data related to those workouts. You can join a global community as well as your friends and yourself. You can discover new routes, or you can pay extra for a premium version that will give you personalized training plans based off of your need. So we're just going to wait for that to download now. Alrighty, so everything's all downloaded. We're just going to go ahead and open up the app. It's going to ask if you'd like to use Bluetooth. You can, or you don't need to. You can choose Join Now if you're a new member, and you can use your Facebook or enter all of your information right there. I'm actually going to log in with my Facebook because I already have an account. So I am going to back out of this and go to existing users and choose login with Facebook. Basically all this is going to do is allow me to give Facebook access to my information to go ahead and plug it into the app itself. And once we are in, we're just going to start with a few things. So first off, this is a GPS app, so you're going to need to enable location services. In an iOS device, to do so, you're just going to back out to the main settings page, scroll down to privacy. Location services is currently off, so I'm going to turn mine on. And I'm just going to scroll down now to MapMyFitness to make sure that I can give this access to my location while I'm using the app. And we're going to back out of here now and head over to MapMyFitness, the app. Once we're in MapMyFitness, you have options for notifications. When you make a new account, you will have a couple of notifications there. You can also scroll down and set up what type of workout you are choosing. There are a ton of different workouts in here. So you can choose one of those. You can go next to all workouts and even search for something. As you can see, there's a ton of different options that break it down even to more subcategories that you're welcome to choose from to get really specific and give the app the most accurate data that you can. After this, we're just going to back out and we are going to go to the music icon. You are able to input your Apple Music with this specific device because I'm on iOS. You can also use Pandora or Spotify. If you pull up on that little bar, you can see distance traveled, time spent working out, etc. This is the Explore page that allows you to see other community members that are using the app, as well as maybe some friends that you have that could be using the app, as well as all of your past workouts that you have completed. A cool thing about this app is that it gives you the opportunity to create a challenge, as well as it will set up challenges for you. The premium version will actually create these challenges and offer them to you. So that's a really cool feature that not a lot of apps have that is unique to this one. Next, we're going to go to the dashboard, the main dashboard. This is where you can set goals for yourself, something that'll just keep you accountable throughout your time using this. And now this is our main settings page. On here, you can pick up your main profile, and this will condense all of your information for you, average and weekly, all time, etc. And this is a really cool feature about this app is that it can give you predetermined routes that other people have used, as well as ones that the app has made. Maybe you're not necessarily sure where to get your activity in, so you can use that, and you can also bookmark those, which is really neat. And next we're going to go to those challenges. Under the challenges, you can also create a post. So maybe after a workout, you had a really good workout. You can create that, attach a picture. You can share that with everyone. You can share that with your friends, or you can lock that so only you can see that. Sort of like a little personal journal. This was a really brief and condensed overview of everything that MapMyFitness can do, so I encourage you all to go ahead and explore that a little bit more. It's easiest if you can do a quick, maybe 10 to 20 minute workout, take the kids outside, get some exercise, whatever it may be, to get some data. And from there, you can go and sort of explore, maybe create a post, create a goal based off of that current workout that you just completed. And from there, we will explore it a little bit more in class. If you guys have any questions, reach out to me. I will email you back as quickly as possible. And I hope that you enjoyed learning about MapMyFitness. Thank you.